Tyler locked away, stole slash for foreign aid. Today the army was meant to protect itself, but with the mental mindset and imperialistic threats that they get, they wanna make all of us dead. They're turning to this puppet, control with the bigger heads, system of the bigger threats, confused when they're around. They're terrorizing, they're keeping peace in our town. It gets hit, them disturb the land that we play on, but run. We see them coming up with the gun. They're too mean and too selfish. They all what they're doing this rubbish for the burn. All this madness after you burn. And I was a little kid too, so I said screw the army, cause they don't really have a clue. They don't know what we've been through. Is this the way the school is holding the gun? When you got nothing to say, you think your weapons give you power? Wait the lightning on the bridge, don't strike me the head. It's gonna shake the shit out of you. Fire's gonna burn that hate within you. Are you fighting for your country or for just one man's victory? Cause this is contradictory, we don't shed blood, we coming clean. No mystery, just history of what the boss would be. Memories of them beasts makes me wanna pick up the gun. Something hard with fun, what we just say, burn them Babylon, cause this is my blood.